Welcome to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals of Class 8 Mathematics, Exercise 3.3, Question 1 and 2. Let's move to our Question 1. Given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. AD equal to dash. This is a parallelogram. So before solving this one, you please watch the earlier video introduction part. Then we can understand the properties of parallelogram. AD equal to, which is the equal side of AD, BC. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, hence AD equal to BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Measure angle DCB equal to dash. Measure angle DCB equal to measure angle DAB. Reason: opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Third one, OC equal to dash. OC equal to OA. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Fourth one, measure angle DAB plus measure angle CDA equal to dash. That is, measure angle DAB plus measure angle CDA equal to 180 degree, because they are the adjacent angles of a parallelogram, and adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Next question. Consider the following parallelograms and find the values of the unknowns x, y and z. Our first question figure is given here. Let us solve the sum. Given ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle B equal to 100 degree is given. Then we can write angle B equal to angle D. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Hence y equal to 100 degree. Next, 100 plus x equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Hence 100 plus x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. Since angle A equal to angle C, that is opposite angles are equal, hence angle Z equal to 80 degree. Next question. Figure is given here. We have to find the unknowns x, y and z. Given figure is a parallelogram. So x plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason: adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore x equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. X equal to y, they are the opposite angles of a parallelogram, hence they are equal. Therefore y equal to 130 degree. Now we have to find z. For that you have to mark 1 near z. Now angle 1 plus angle z form a linear pair, and measure angle z we have to find out. Before that we can find measure angle 1. Measure angle 1 equal to 50 degree, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now measure angle 1 plus z equal to 180 degree, because they form a linear pair. Now substitute the value of angle 1, that is 50 plus z equal to 180 degree, or z equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. Hence x equal to 130 degree, y equal to 130 degree and z equal to 130 degree. Next question. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, here also we have to find the angles x, y and z. X equal to 90 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. Given one angle is 30 degree, now consider the triangle BOC. Intersection of the diagonal we can mark it as O. Hence, if we are considering triangle BOC, x plus y plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. Substitute the value of x, that is 90 plus 30 plus y equal to 180 degree, or 120 plus y equal to 180 degree, or y equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. Now we got angle x and angle y. Now we have to find angle Z. Since AD parallel to BC and BD is the transversal, hence angle Y equal to angle Z, that is alternate interior angles. Hence angle Z equal to 60 degree. Next question. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, we have to find the measures of angle X, Y and Z. Now listen here. Observe the figure carefully. Angle D plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. That is x plus 80 equal to 180 degree, or x equal to 180 minus 80 equal to 100 degree. If we know the value of 80, we can easily write the value of y, because angle A equal to angle C. They are the opposite angles of a parallelogram, hence they are equal. Therefore, y equal to 80 degree. Now consider the line AB parallel to CD or AB parallel to DC, and consider the transversal BC. Look at the angles 80 degree and angle Z. Where is the position of these two angles? They lie on the same side of the transversal and both are lying above the line. 80 degree lies above the line DC. Similarly, angle Z lies above the line AB. Hence, they are corresponding angles. If the line is parallel and it is intersected by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are equal. Hence, angle Z equal to 80 degree. Thus, we get x equal to 10 degree, y equal to x equal to 100 degree, y equal to 80 degree and z is also equal to 80 degree. Our next question. ABCD is a parallelogram in which one angle, angle C is given 112 degree, angle ADB is given 40 degree. We have to find the measures of angle X, Y and Z. So, angle A equal to angle C. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Hence, Y equal to 112 degree. Next, consider the triangle ADB. y plus 40 plus x equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of triangle. Now substitute the value of x and value of y, then we can find the value of x. That is 112 degree plus 40 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, or x equal to 180 minus 152 equal to 28 degree. Now consider AB parallel to DC and BD is a transversal. Now angle X equal to angle Z. They are the alternate interior angles. Hence they are equal. Therefore Z equal to 28 degree. Hence angle X equal to 28 degree, Y equal to 112 degree and Z equal to 28 degree.